watched your YouTube videos over and over, bro.
Very nice.
I've watched your YouTube videos over and over, bro.
Hey, we learn as we go.
I know, right? So as far as mids, highs, and everything, my doors are completely stock. My highs are stock.
Okay.
The only thing I did was got a stereo from Walmart and threw in here.
Okay. What were the equipment in the back? What all do you have?
It is a 32 hertz tuned boarded box that I built and reinforced with a buddy of mine, actually Steve in that white Tahoe.
Okay.
I got the WDX G2 DB drive 10s. I got a Phantom 4K amp, 0 gauge wire, 300 amp alternator, and a deep cycle marine battery. So nothing too crazy.
Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
Yeah, actually I metered at 142.
42, okay.
So.
All right. Are you louder with the seats up or down? Just curious.
Either way.
It
It
don't
really
matter
don't
much?
matter. It don't matter.
All right.
appreciate
Yes, sir.
that, bro.
Awesome.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad cheesing right now.
Well,
Getting to meet you in person.
Oh yeah, you're welcome, man. Good to meet you. I appreciate you watching, and I'm sure you're not like complete. Or is there something else you're planning to work on with it?
I'm still upgrading. I'm a work in progress, bro.
Yes, sir. And I like the way you have the amp kind of offset on there too, so that's different. Most people mount it straight on the box. Every little thing helps, so I noticed the little things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to keep that temperature down a little bit.
Yeah, it does help with airflow. Anyway, thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, Bo.
You're welcome.
You have good.
You too. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.